Girl, girl, when I tell you this twist out is popping, okay? What is up, YouTube? I have not been here since March 2017 and it is now January 2018, so it's nearly been a year since I posted my last video on YouTube. Crazy, I know. I was supposed to come up with updates. I was supposed to show you guys how my hair grew. I think the last video I did was like length retention or something. I was trying to like challenge myself to grow my hair out. Well, shortly after I posted that video, I found out that I was pregnant. And yep, that's all I've got. That's my only excuse, is that I was pregnant. So I kind of just fell off, and I just kind of wanted to focus on being pregnant and, you know, focus on getting my life together before I became a mom. And he is the sweetest little thing, the love of my life, and I am really enjoying being a mom. But I did want to get back to making YouTube videos because it's fun and it's something that I love to do, and it's like my me time. So anyways, we're gonna get right into this video. I am here to talk about what I talked about in my last one as far as hair growth, and just to update you guys on what products I'm using, which really has not changed since last year, but I definitely want to give you guys a length check and my favorite products, and I will show you guys those, and then I will show you guys how much my hair has grown. Now, as far as the last video, I really don't remember living up to what I said I was going to do as far as like the 5 things I was going to do to help my hair grow, but as you can see, my hair has grown a lot. This is a first day twist out. Yes, day 1, super fluffy, and I did not use a pick. Like, it literally just came out like this after I separated my twists, and obviously the camera does not do it justice, but girl, the growth is real. About my hair growth, I definitely attribute it to the pregnancy. I was on prenatal vitamins and I was barely shedding any hair, and so my hair just literally just flourished into a big beautiful flower. So I'm really interested to see how the postpartum hair is going to treat me. It's been about a month, so I'm not sure, but I'll definitely make a video and update you guys on pregnancy and hair and postpartum hair loss and all of that kind of stuff. So I just want to show you guys how much it has grown, and I might insert like a picture of what it was before, not sure. But let's get into this length check and let's get into these products. So first we'll do the products. I'm pretty much using the same stuff I've always used. I kind of fell off of the deep treatment that I was using because it's super expensive, but I decided that it's worth it, so I'm gonna keep using. So I'm just gonna show you guys the things that I use that I feel is very essential for me to do my hair. These are my every week, every wash day products that I use. So first, I use the Derm Organic Daily Conditioning Shampoo, sulfate free and color safe, made with argan oil. And I absolutely love this stuff. It might be dirty because it's from my shower, so I absolutely love this stuff. I've been using it since I went natural. I buy these big bottles of it for like $20 a bottle on Amazon. Amazing. And then there is a conditioner, and I do have that, but I don't really use it. What I use for the conditioner is the Intensive Hair Repair Mask, because it has a ton of slip and it acts just like a conditioner for me. So this is what I use as my conditioner after I shampoo. So after shampooing and conditioning, I go into my deep conditioning, and my go-to is usually this Shea Moisture Yucca and Plantain Anti-Breakage Strengthening Mask. This strengthening mask is really good, nice protein-based, I think, treatment, and it's for moisturize, control, and boost shine for frizzy, split, and breaking hair. So this is what I usually use. But then about 2 weeks ago, I decided that I had box braids. So let me start over. So I had box braids toward the end of my pregnancy. My son actually did come late, so I had those box braids in for way longer than I wanted to, and I did not take care of my hair while I was in the braids. So once I took them out, my hair was super dry and frizzy and frazzled. So I decided to start using my good old handy dandy Moroccan Oil Intense Hydrating Mask. This stuff is amazing, makes my hair feel like butter, slipping right through. My hair is so soft. I usually let it sit for like 30 minutes to an hour, and sometimes I'll even sit under the dryer for a little bit. But this is the best deep conditioner I've ever used. It always bounces my hair right back. My hair is no longer dry and brittle, and as you can see, the twist out is popping. Okay. Yeah. So after deep conditioning, I will usually put an oil in my hair before I put in my moisturizer. As far as leave-in conditioner, it's like a sometimey thing for me, but I usually just spray a mixture of water and this mask. It's just a little mist that I make as my leave-in conditioner. And I will move on to the oil, and this is the Moroccan oil treatment, which I really love. It's just argan oil, and it's not just argan oil. Hold up, this is on another level. It's like liquid gold, because this bottle did cost $50 and I just ran out of it today. So I will definitely be purchasing this again. But in the meantime, I do use just a little $14 bottle of oil that I get from Natural Grocers. So yeah, argan oil just works really amazing for me, and it's the oil that keeps my hair moisturized and looking good. So I just stick to what I know. And last but not least, I usually wear my hair in twist outs. If I do another style, I still pretty much use this product for any style that I do, and that is the Camille Rose Naturals Almond Jai Twisting Butter. I love this stuff. I've been using it for a few years now, and I tried to think of making my own hair butter, but it was just too much. Like, I don't have time to be making all those ingredients, especially being a new mom. So I love this. It's super easy. Pick it up at the store, you're done, and it really gives me great definition and moisture. So I just love this product. And then when I take my twist out, I just put a little oil on my hands and get to work. So yeah, that is pretty much all of my products, and we are going to get into this length check. But before I do, I just wanted to let you guys know that I will be making more videos. Please let me know what kind of videos you want to see. I have a few ideas, so please expect more from me this year. I promise I'm not going to be trifling like I was last year and just disappear for 9 months. I will be here. And yeah, so I'm gonna get into this length check.